You want to be sub-4 2x2? Let's start.
First tip on how to solve Ortega faster is being color neutral. Color neutral helps you solve the first phase a lot quicker and efficiently. So let's do an example. So the way you do color neutral is finding any color and find a bar. And that helps you solve a phase super quick because you only have to solve another 2 squares. For this, you gotta only solve 1 square, so this has to be the best one. And the red color is still right here. So this is the quickest solution, and let's try to find another one. It doesn't look like all the other colors have quicker solutions than red. So this one's good. Let's do it quickly. First, PBL algorithm. You do this after you solve OLL. So let's start. The way you recognize it is by seeing a solid bar on the bottom. Then you put that solid bar on the bottom on the back of the key. Then you do this algorithm. R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, F2, U prime, R prime, U, R. There's 2 algorithms for one case. So the case is this. There's a solid bar on the top. And it could be on the front or it could be on the back. And there's a case for the front and the back. For the front case, I'll teach you the algorithm. So you do this. R prime, F, R prime, F2, R, U prime, R. It's the same case like the last one, but the difference is that the solid bar is on the top, but you put it on the back of the key. And this is the way you solve it. R prime, U, R prime, F2, R, F prime, R. You recognize this case is by saying 2 solid bars on the back, then just keep it there and do this algorithm. R2, U prime, R2, U2, F2, U prime, F2. R2. The way you recognize this algorithm is by seeing a solid bar here and a solid bar here. Then the top is solved. So let's do it. R prime, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F, prime, R2. The way you recognize this case is by seeing the top layer is solved and the bottom layer isn't. And the way you solve it is by doing this all. R, U, R prime, U prime, F2, U prime, R, U, R prime, U, R2, U2. The way you do that is by checking how you're going to solve it. And the way we're going to solve this is R, then F2. So let's see. R pushes this up and this green pair up. So yeah, then we imagine that the green pair is on the top, then this is here. Then F2 is gonna move this all the way here. And that's how you recognize OLL during inspection. So to predict a diagonal case, outer colors must be opposite and inner colors must be adjacent. And in a solved case, outer colors should be matching, then inner colors should be adjacent. For a bar case, it should be anything else. So if it's not diagonal or solved, then it is the bar case. So yeah, here's an example on how to do that. So you see that the outer colors are opposite and the inner colors are adjacent. So this must be a solved case. See, the top layer is solved. If you want to memorize these cases, I took a few screenshots of Jbroom's video. Credits to Jbroom. You predict the PBL bar in the OLL stage is by doing this thing called rules. You make a rule on like how the thing works. So for this case, for example, you do this algorithm, right? Then you see where the bar lands. The bar is all the way here. Then you just do the same algorithm again, the inverse of it, which is F U R U prime R prime F prime. Then you just make up a rule. For this algorithm, the rule is opposite colors equal a bar. So wherever the opposite colors are, then there will be a bar on that side. For this, there will be a bar on this side. And that's how you make rules for algorithms and find bars.